Exploring the future of work, what it means to be a developer in 2026. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Future of work, what developers can expect in 2026 tech. 2. 2026 developer outlook, the shocking truth revealed. 3. The evolution of coding, a developer's guide to 2026. Thumbnail concept. A futuristic cityscape at night, with a code-writing robot in the foreground, eyes glowing with an intense focus. Text overlay, future of work, what developers can expect in 2026. Color scheme, cool tones of blue and silver to represent technology. Hook script. On-screen text, bold and flashing. Are you ready for the future of work? As a developer, your role is about to change drastically. Cut to me. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and in 2026, it's no different. In this video, we'll explore what it means to be a developer in just 4 short years. Full video script. Timestamp, midnight to 0:30, intro. B-roll suggestion, fast-paced clips of coding, AI, and futuristic cityscapes. Timestamp, 0:31 to 1 o'clock. First things first, let's talk about AI. In 2026, AI will be a standard tool in every developer's arsenal. From automating mundane tasks to writing code, AI is set to revolutionize the way developers work. Timestamp, 1:01 to 2 o'clock. Next up, let's talk about the rise of low-code platforms. These platforms will allow non-technical professionals to create their own applications without any coding knowledge. This means that developers will need to adapt and focus on more complex projects. Timestamp, 2:01 to 3 o'clock. Another trend to watch out for is the increasing importance of cybersecurity. With more businesses moving online, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high. Developers who can specialize in this area will be highly sought after. Timestamp, 3:01 to 4 o'clock. Lastly, let's talk about remote work. With advancements in technology and the ongoing pandemic, more companies are embracing remote work. This means that developers can now work from anywhere in the world, as long as they have a strong internet connection. Timestamp, 4:01 to 5 o'clock, conclusion. So there you have it. In just 4 years, the world of development will look drastically different. To succeed in this new landscape, developers need to embrace AI, focus on complex projects, master cybersecurity, and be prepared for remote work. Video description. Exploring the future of work, what developers can expect in 2026. The world of technology is constantly evolving. In this video, we discuss how being a developer will change drastically by 2026, with focus on AI, low-code platforms, cybersecurity, and remote work. Midnight introduction. 1 o'clock rise of AI in development. 2 o'clock low-code platforms and the role of developers. 3 o'clock the importance of cybersecurity. 4 o'clock remote work trends. 5 o'clock conclusion. Affiliate, AI course affiliate, cybersecurity training affiliate, remote work tools. Future of work 2026 developer outlook. AI in development, low-code platforms, cybersecurity, remote work. Tags. Future of work 2026 developer outlook. AI, artificial intelligence, low-code platforms, coding, cybersecurity, tech trends, programming, remote work, work from home, futuristic tech, development, innovation. Pinned comment. What do you think about the future of work for developers in 2026? Let us know your thoughts and subscribe for more tech updates. End screen script. Timestamp, 8:41 to 9 o'clock. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the future of work. And if you're interested in learning more about AI, check out our affiliate link in the description below. Timestamp, 9:01 to 9:20. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're curious about cybersecurity training, check out our other affiliate link in the description below. Timestamp, 9:21 to 9:40. Finally, if you want to learn more about remote work tools, click the third affiliate link in the description below. See you in the next video.